Jai Jagannath. I come from a very humble family and from a small village. My dream since childhood was to join the IAS and serve the people. Lord Jagannath made it happen. Because of my family from Kendrapada, I came to Odisha. From the day I set my foot in the soil of Odisha, I have received immense love and affection from the people of Odisha. From Dharamgarh to Rourkela to Mayurbhanj to Ganjam, I have tried to work very hard for the people. 12 years ago, I joined the Chief Minister's office. It was an honor to be working for Sri Naveen Patnaik. The experience, the learning I had from him is for lifetimes. His grace, leadership, ethics, and above all, his love for the people of Odisha always inspired me. His expectation from me was to implement his vision for Odisha, and we successfully crossed many milestones in health, education, poverty reduction, sports, investment, women's empowerment, infrastructure, and also in temple and heritage projects. Working for the youth, school and college children gave me great satisfaction. My own childhood memories of studying in a government school helped me to implement the Honorable Chief Minister's vision for school transformation under 5T. During COVID, we traveled to almost all 30 districts to ensure that the health infrastructure is ready to serve the people. In this time, we faced two super cyclones, Fani and Philin, and we really worked hard to save every precious life. I left the IAS taking voluntary retirement and joined the Biju Janata Dal to assist my mentor, Sri Naveen Patnaik. My only intent was to help him as anyone would do for his mentor or family. I would like to set straight certain perceptions and narratives. Perhaps it has been my shortcoming that I have not been able to effectively counter some of these political narratives at the right time. I reiterate that I came to politics to help my mentor Sri Naveen Patnaik ahead of the grueling elections, and I had no desire whatsoever for a specific political post or power. Therefore, I was neither a candidate nor was I holding any post in Biju Janata Dal. For the last 12 years, I have tried to work from early in the morning till midnight, keeping Odisha and Naveen Babu as my focus. Till today, the only property I have is what I inherited from my grandparents. I or my immediate family have no other property anywhere in the world. My property statement when I joined the Indian Administrative Service remains the same even today, after 24 years. The biggest earning in my lifetime has been the love and affection and the goodwill of people of Odisha. My intent of joining politics was only to assist Naveen Babu, and now consciously I decide to withdraw myself from active politics. I am sorry if I have hurt anyone in this journey. I am sorry if this campaign narrative against me has had a part to play with Biju Janata Dal's loss. I apologize to the entire Biju Parivar, including all the Karmis, for this. And my heartfelt gratitude to the lakhs and lakhs of Biju Parivar members whom I am associated with. I will always keep Odisha in the core of my heart and my Guru Naveen Babu in my breath, and pray to Lord Jagannath for their well-being and prosperity. Jai Jagannath.